morning! My name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will look at the Mickey Mouse with the red background diamond painting kit I bought on Amazon from the Grneric store in March 2025. The pattern. I bought Mickey Mouse with a red background on March 3rd, 2025. It was delivered March 17th from the Grneric store on Amazon. It was $9.98. It's 11.8 by 15.7 inches, or approximately 12 by 16, or approximately 30 by 40 centimeters. It is a full round pattern with 24 colors, and it does list the DMC equivalents. It took me just over 17 hours to finish in May and June of 2025. Let's diamond paint. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. Mickey Mouse stands out against a dramatic red background. At 12 by 16 or 30 centimeters by 40 centimeters, the picture is large enough to render well without being overwhelming. There's fun shading with 4 shades of red in the background, and it doesn't feel like confetti. There are color blocking possibilities in the black ears and in the red background. And when I get tired of color blocking, I start diamond painting on a diagonal, like playing an old-fashioned game of Pong. Or I mix vertical, horizontal, and diagonal to mostly fill an area. I might go through the middle of an area or make a box around the edges. When I'm tired of going in lines, I randomly put down diamonds. Eventually, the whole area is filled. I can always come back later to straighten any wonky areas. The point is, there are no rules to putting down diamonds. If you are happy, then that is the way to do it. Don't Don't make rules about how to put down diamonds. Don't make rules that don't exist. I'm giving the Mickey Mouse with a red background as a gift to my doctor who loves all things classic Disney. I was going to give him just the Mickey with the star background, but why hide this fun Mickey in a pile in the back of a closet? So I got this one framed at Michael's too. I found a frame for just under $30 at Michael's and had Michael's cut a new mat. Michael's put it all together for just over $30. This is the third framed diamond painting in a row that I've done since March. I got this framed from my doctor, who's been my doctor since the mid-90s, and we've become friends as he has diagnosed and treated several serious health conditions. I'll get to see both diamond paintings in my doctor's office when I see him for my next visit. There are so many of my diamond paintings lying in a pile on a shelf in the back of my closet. It was fun finishing, framing, and giving away the Mickey Mouse diamond paintings. The best part has been seeing how happy each person is with the new diamond painting in their hands. Have you given any diamond paintings as gifts recently? Are you planning to give any away? Let us know in the comments about the kits and the nice person getting the gift. In memory, Roger Dodger. He was the kindest friend. He just wanted to touch noses and find a good place to curl up to sleep. He was adopted by my Aunt Mary Jo in Ohio in May 2014. He was adopted into our family in Florida in December of 2015. And he crossed the Rainbow Bridge in June of 2025. I miss having him curled up on my pillow with me at night. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.